Hey everybody, so I got a new 4-tier garage shelving unit to share today. This one is almost 150 pounds. I believe it says 146 on it. So do be careful, because it is pretty heavy. This one is a 10,000 pound capacity of 2,500 pounds per shelf. I'll show you everything that came in the box. All those little boxes are actually empty. Here's our assembly instructions. We do have our shelves. And then this was a box of parts that showed up separately. This showed up like a week before. Alright, so looking at the instructions, it shouldn't be overly complicated. It looks like we just pretty much snapped them in, and we may have to use a hammer or a mallet to get it in the rest of the way. Overall, doesn't look too bad. Alright, so I will try to do a quick assembly with this. I just got this working table that's actually really nice too. Maybe I'll do a quick video on that. It's from DeWalt, and that one I got from Home Depot. Alright, so we want to make sure that the larger holes are facing upwards. That way the pin things clamp down. Definitely easier if you have a second person. So once you have the base done, it should be a lot easier to put together now. All right, so from here, you're going to choose how high you want each shelf. 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth. And of course, you can take these off and adjust them later on if you need a different height. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th. And then we got to run these bars across for each one. And then next we got these bars that we put across. I want to make sure everything is nice and down, so we're going to take our mallet now and make sure everything is nice and tight. All right, so now we can put our shelves on. The longer ones are going to go on top and the bottom. And then the shorter ones will go on the ones in between. This is definitely a nice large shelf. All right, it's a pretty nice shelf. Pretty easy to put together. It is a little heavy, so I would definitely recommend having a second person helping you. You could definitely do it by yourself, but like you saw, it is heavy, it is bulky. And a second person would definitely make it a lot easier. This is perfect for any garage that you want to store a lot of stuff. I'm going to be using it for storage in this trailer as I get the projects done. But if you're looking for a really nice, really durable garage shelving unit that can hold 2,500 pounds each shelf and up to 10,000 pounds total, you can put a lot of stuff on this. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.